had the unfortunate incident in the washing machine, only 5 years old. You fell into the washing machine somehow, and literally you said your whole body was in a cast.
Yeah, so I broke everything from the waist down.
And before we started, I asked you, how did that? You were only 5. How did you wind up in a laundromat?
I snuck out. Yeah, I snuck out. So at the time, this is the upper beginning. So my mother was a teenage mother.
Okay.
My mother was, so she had my brother at 15, had me at 17. So when I'm 5, she's still early 20s, working fast food jobs, but never took government assistance.
Did your mom blame herself because she had fallen asleep, or you weren't being watched, or so that she had no guilt about that incident?